Hello Arif, what's up? Nice to meet you.
I'm fine. Nice to meet you too. What about you?
I'm also fine. Where are you going?
I'm going to practice.
Well, what are you going to practice?
I'm going to practice cricket.
Where will you practice?
I will practice cricket at Circuit House Stadium.
Oh, good. What time the game will start?
The game will start at 12 p.m.
Oh, I want to see your match. Will you take me there?
Sure, why not?
Call me. When will you go?
Okay, I will call you.
Do you have my number?
No, I don't have your number. Give me your number.
Sure, why not? Take my number. 01743126008.
Okay.
This is my number.
Okay, I will call you later.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye.